I've fallen off of a lot of horses and a couple major injuries. I had a pretty bad concussion. All these horrible symptoms, headaches, migraines, my neck hurts so bad, blurry vision, and a lot of brain fog. I had tried several different chiropractors. I've gone to 3 different doctors. After starting CFR, I'm getting straight A's again. I can remember things way better. Learning is so much easier.
When talking about CFR adjusting, it stands for Cranial Facial Release. It's a non-invasive technique that actually uses a small balloon inserted into the nasal cavity and inflate it. It adjusts the bone in the skull. I think cranial adjusting has been far more effective in my practice than anything else I've ever done. It's changed how I think about chiropractic. It's putting the whole body back together, making it as a unit, looking at the whole picture, not just the single piece.
It's just so much better with less pain.